Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change invoice template in Odoo. We'll start from the home screen in Odoo. From there, click on Accounting. This is where you manage invoices, payments, and financial settings. So it's the right place to begin if you want to update how your invoices look. Updating your invoice template is useful for keeping a professional and consistent brand image, ensuring that every document your clients receive is clear and visually appealing. Once you're inside the accounting module, click on Configuration and then select Settings. This takes you to the main area where Odoo stores accounting-related preferences. After that, click on General Settings so you can access the broader document options tied to your invoice layout. General Settings is where you can manage templates, numbering sequences, and default formatting for all your business documents, making it a central place for consistency across invoices. Now, look for the option called Configure Document Layout and click it. This opens the document customization window, which is where you can visually adjust the appearance of your invoice template. It's especially useful because you can make branding and formatting changes in one place instead of editing each invoice manually. For example, you can ensure that your invoices always show the company logo, correct address, and preferred typography, saving time and reducing errors. Inside this layout editor, begin by changing the layout. This controls the overall style and structure of the document, so choose the version that best matches the look you want for your business documents. You might pick a minimalist layout for a clean, modern look, or a detailed layout if you want to display additional information like payment terms and order references clearly. Next, change the tables. This affects how invoice lines and other tabular information are displayed, which can improve readability and presentation. For instance, adjusting column widths, borders, or background colors can make it easier for your clients to quickly understand the charges and totals. After that, change the text settings. This helps you refine the typography and general text appearance, so the invoice feels more professional and easier to read. Choosing consistent fonts and sizes also helps maintain a cohesive brand identity across all documents. Then, upload your logo. Adding a clear company logo gives your invoices a branded, polished look and helps customers instantly recognize your business. This is especially important for businesses with recurring clients, as it reinforces brand awareness and trust. You can then change the colors to better match your brand identity. Be sure to choose colors that still keep the invoice clear and easy to read. For example, using your brand's primary color for headers or totals can make the invoice visually consistent without affecting legibility. After that, change the address so the document reflects the correct business location. Then update the tagline if you want a short line of brand messaging to appear on the invoice. A tagline can highlight your company values or a promotional message for clients. Next, change the footer. This is often where businesses include extra company details or helpful information, so review it carefully. You might include contact numbers, email addresses, or legal disclaimers here to provide clarity to your customers. Then, adjust the paper format to fit your preferred printing or PDF output style. After that, change the tax ID so the invoice displays the correct tax registration information. This is particularly important for compliance and ensuring your invoices are valid for tax purposes. You can also change the bank account details if you want your payment information to appear correctly on the invoice. This is especially important for clients who pay by bank transfer, as it ensures smooth and error-free payments. Then decide whether to turn the QR code on or off. If your invoicing workflow or local requirements support QR payments or quick scanning, this can be very helpful for speeding up payments and improving the customer experience. Once you've reviewed all of your changes and the template looks the way you want, click Continue. That will apply your updated invoice template settings across all future invoices, saving you time and ensuring consistency. And that's how you change the invoice template in Odoo. With these adjustments, you can create invoices that are professional, branded, and easy to read, which helps maintain a polished image for your business.